Maya stands by her window and looks outside. She sees the big blue sky and smiles. She says,
"Today is a good day."
She goes to the kitchen and feels hungry. She opens the fridge and looks inside. She sees eggs, butter, and some bread. She says, "Great! I will make a good breakfast." She puts the bread in the toaster and waits. She cooks 2 eggs and puts them on a plate. She sits down and eats her breakfast slowly. She drinks a glass of orange juice. She says, "That was so good. Now I am ready." Maya puts on her bag and goes outside. She walks down the street and looks at the trees. The sun is warm and the birds are singing. She arrives at the market and sees many fruits and vegetables.
Good morning. What do you need?
Hi, can I have some apples, please?
The man puts 5 apples in a bag for her. Maya asks, "How much is this?"
The man says, "Just $2.
Maya smiles and says, "Perfect, thank you." She also picks up some fresh carrots and tomatoes. She walks home happy with her full bag. Maya stops at her friend Sarah's house. She knocks on the door 2 times.
Maya walks inside Sarah's house and looks around. "Your house is so cozy, Sarah." Maya talks with Sarah and smiles.
Maya drinks cold lemonade. She says, "This lemonade is very good. Did you make it?"
Sarah says, "Yes, it is easy. Just lemon, water, and sugar." They laugh together.
Maya goes home and finds an old box under her bed. She opens it and sees paper, brushes, and colors inside. She says,
I can paint today.
paper on the table, and picks a brush with green leaves and a blue sky. She makes some mistakes, but she does not stop.
She looks at her painting and says, "Not bad." She puts it on the wall and steps out.
She says,
I like it. I made something today.
The sky turns orange and the sun goes down slowly. Maya makes a hot cup of tea and sits by the window.
She looks at the sky and feels very calm.
This is my favorite part of the day.
Her phone rings and she sees her mom's name. She picks up and says, "Hi, Mom."
Her mom says, "Hi, my dear. How was your day?"
Maya says,
It was great, Mom. I painted something today.
Maya turns off the big light and sits on her bed. She thinks about her day quietly.
"I ate good food. I saw Sarah. Today was a really nice day."
She takes out her small notebook and writes 3 good things. She writes, "Sunshine, good friend, and my painting."
She puts down the notebook and lies on her pillow. She takes one long, slow breath and closes her eyes.